How you justify its original materials, ambience, the feeling in the past, pero you are living in the present. Yun yung pinaka-challenge namin, no? And then, in order to preserve those architectural character ng building, number one steps na ginawa namin is to look back. Ano ba yung itsura talaga ni Quezon Hall dati? And ano ba yung intention ng architect para ma-feel niya yung design space niya dito sa Quezon Hall.
As a student of West Visayas State University, Quezon Hall, since 1924, stands as the university's symbol of academic excellence and tradition. This hall represents our legacy and identity, and this gives us students a sense of pride and belonging.
We are looking forward again to seeing the Quezon Hall as one great venue with which our students can learn more. And we know that a healthy building produces conducive learners.
We at the Henry C. Foundation are honored to be part of this restoration project and help build a strong learning environment. We remain steadfast in our mission to empower the youth and foster a culture of excellence.
To Henry C. Foundation and SM Foundation, we would like to thank each and every one for this valuable effort. Because of this, it will help each and every Taga West to be the best.